Hello. Now, are you a die-hard classic car enthusiast? An avid Triumph Stag owner maybe? Or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of classic cars? Well, we've got a really great treat for you, and I'm going to introduce you to Saturday Sockets. It's your weekly dose of automotive passion and off-camera shenanigans. We're really glad that you're here, and you know that every Saturday at 8 o'clock, almost religiously, the Arry The Stag YouTube channel comes alive with a new video, either about Eddie the S, the Triumph Stags, or some other car-related, classic car-related topic, and it's content that's not to be missed, of course. But what about the stories and the tips and other juicy details to do with the classic car community, Triumph Stag and other classic cars that never actually makes it to the public eye? Well, that's where Saturday Sockets comes in. Now, in short, Saturday Sockets is an email that goes out every weekend. It's free and contains lots of stories and news and pictures from the Triumph Stag and other classic car owner community from around the world. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a child of the 60s and 70s, and I've seen a few things and done a few things over the years, and I'll kick off Saturday Sockets with a poignant review of things that annoy me, or things that have interested me, or things that fascinate me. And whether it's the madness of the woke society, or political correctness, the idiocies of government legislation with regard to ULEZ or E5 fuel, or any other quirks of the modern world compared to the glory days of the 1970s. I often wonder that I go too far, but actually people tell me they love my opinion and my views, so always worth a laugh. And I'll leave you in stitches, almost guaranteed about that. But that's not all. We've got stories straight from the hearts and garages of fellow Triumph Stag and classic car owners worldwide. We really do have a fantastic worldwide following now, and it's good to discover their incredible projects and maybe get some insights into their restoration journeys, some of the challenges and obstacles they've had to get around, and maybe fuel your own automotive dreams as well. And as a spin-off benefit of that community, we get some fantastic hands-on guidance from around the world from people who've struggled with repairing their cars and found ways around it, or have expertise to share with us. And so if you look no further than Saturday Sockets, I'm sure you'll find that very, very useful, because it delivers top-notch mechanicking tips, tried and tested by seasoned experts around the world, and actually it helps all of us keep our beloved rides in peak condition with the collective invaluable advice that we get from the gathered throng. Of course, we keep you updated with any industry-related insights that may be useful or affect us as classic car owners. And there's a really good slot in the Saturday Sockets as well that celebrates people who have the Arry The Stag badge of honour. If you've not got one, then go online and grab one whilst you can, free of charge anywhere in the world, and display it on your windscreen, because those that do are in for a treat, because you have the opportunity to have your car as the star, and there's a slot every week that gives exclusive spotlight to flaunt those fantastic looking badges and fantastic looking cars and show off your beauty to the whole world. And as many of you may already know, every week I dig into the Arry The Stag archive videos to present you with a hand-picked vintage video that may be relevant to what we're talking about during Saturday Sockets, but also quite entertaining, I think, as well. So it gives you the chance to relive the glory days of classic cars with these hidden gems, whether it's a drive in the country or a feature about how to flush out your radiator. It's equally relevant and fun to look at. So here's the deal, my classic car enthusiast friends from around the world. Sign up for our free Saturday Sockets email, and every Saturday morning you'll receive a delightful package of classic car and Triumph Stag related stories, articles and much, much more, as we've highlighted before. It's really the perfect companion to your weekend breakfast or your morning coffee and sticky bun. We have people waiting for it to drop into their inbox worldwide. And of course, Saturday wouldn't be Saturday without Saturday Sockets, would it? Happy days. But of course, don't just take our word for it. People like you eagerly anticipate Saturday Sockets every week. They rave about how much they enjoy it and how it adds that extra dash of joy to their weekends. And it's really great to be part of that community. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Saturday Sockets community today. It's free, and unlock a world of classic car passion, laughter and camaraderie. It won't cost you a dime, and we promise it'll be an enjoyable ride every week, if very different every week too. Your future Saturday mornings will thank you. Arry The Stag. Saturday Sockets, where classic cars and timeless stories come together. Sign up now and make your Saturday mornings unforgettable. Visit our website, look in the description in the video, and get ready for a weekend of pure automotive bliss.